Hi guys, welcome to the channel Idly, Vada, Sambar. If you're really new to the channel, subscribe and click on that bell icon so that you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And this is my Instagram ID. So if you're in Instagram, do follow me, and all of the social media links are given in the description box. This little chef is going to cook egg and tomato soup, and she itself going to narrate that. So first unboxing, labeling, and this little chef is going to teach you how to make this egg and tomato soup. So wait for that. And this is also one of the gift for Kayal's birthday. So special thanks to
Vada and cutie. Thanks for all of your gift.
Now let's unbox the cooking set. So it's like a car first. So if you open it, it will be like a workstation and a countertop. Let's take out all the utensils and ladles out.
Wow, labels.
After sticking all of these labels, it will turn into a complete kitchen. So let's keep the tap for the sink and start sticking the labels.
Fashion show.
This is countertop work area.
Work area is.
Let's make ready the sink.
Now come the ladders.
Let's make the ladles colorful by sticking some stickers and labels on it.
Ladle dance.
Let's give it a tile decoration for the serving area.
Tin 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 tin. Fork, spoon, and knife.
Cute labels for fork, spoon, and knife is done. Next comes this cup and saucer.
Cup and saucer. Wonderful. Almost done. Now comes that over. Done with utensils.
Now let's move on to the kitchen walls. So let's decorate the kitchen walls. Hanger for ladles. Let's hang them one by one. Kitchen wall is ready. Let's arrange the countertop and work area. So fix 2 serving stands. And next comes the countertop. Some fruits and vegetables, a skillet, and a Dutch oven. with some cup and saucers, phone, spoon and knife. So these are the whole set and our kitchen is ready for the cooking. Here comes the view of the beautiful kitchen. A cute ladles, a lovely countertop, a sink and a work area with some cup and saucers and the serving plates. So chef, you're ready to make the breakfast for today?
Yeah, and ready. Let's do it.
This is a glimpse of how our chef made the egg and she itself tasting it with some half boil and tomato soup. The best thing is she itself going to narrate how to do it all. As our little chef is clean, so she just cleaned everything and make ready by herself. She wants me to clean again. Before starting the kitchen, she wants everything to be clean and clear. Hi!
Hi!
What you're going to cook today?
Egg.
And what else?
Tomato soup.
So first what you're going to do?
Wash vegetables.
What's next?
Cut them.
As like us, for little chefs also, chopping is the big task. So chop all the veggies first. For salad, she's chopping cabbages. And for the tomato soup, she's chopping tomatoes.
Let's start. Add this total. Add tomatoes to the test oven. Wait for 5 minutes. Let's see now. Next it. Let's shake tomato soup.
Is tomato soup ready?
Let's shake. Yummy tomato soup is ready. Delicious egg is also ready. Ah, it's hot. Let's serve them. Add salt and pepper. Keep knife and fork. Yummy, yummy. Let's serve tomato soup. This is tomato soup. What's first? Soup. Delicious. Next, egg. Good. Tasty. Try this.
I hope you all enjoyed today's video. So show it your kids and tell me your comments in the comment section. So if you want more videos like this, also tell me in the comment section. And thank you so much guys who have patiently watched this video. If you're really new, just click on this Simply Cook icon and subscribe it. Thank you so much guys. Bye bye.